Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Shoaib Ahmed. I'm working as Assistant Professor and Head Department of BCN Computer Science at Government First Aid College, Sorab, Shimoga, Karnataka. I'm happy to be a part of this international web conference on science, engineering and technology. I, along with my friend Vidya Sagar, I'm here to present a paper entitled Detection of Fake News in Social E-Media. So the paper what we're dealing, it works on very important concept or very important challenge which is happening in the world there. So social networks. Social networks have become a very important way for the people to communicate with each other and share their ideas. The most important feature of social network is the rapid information sharing. In this context, the accuracy of the news or information published is very important. The spread of the fake news in the social networks have recently become one of the biggest problems. Thus, the fake news affects the people daily life and social order and may cause even some negativity. Thus, the purpose of the paper, what we are coming up with a solution that can be utilized by the users to detect and filter out the sites containing the false and misleading information. So the approach what we have used, it's very simple, where we have used some machine learning techniques and we have carefully selected some of the features from the social sites data like the title, the post to accuracy, identify fake post, etc. Then we have applied our own approach and our experimentation result shows an accuracy of 99.4 percentage for one of the classifier, that is the logistic classifier. So let us see what is the methodology we have followed. In our methodology we have three steps. In the step number one, we'll be locating some of the social databases, then we'll be computing the attributes and produce the data files for the Vika for the crawling the web to collect the URLs. Then our focus is on the social media websites, for example, Facebook. So once we get the data that is from the Facebook, the second step is after getting the URL in a file, we have written a Python script which task is to compute the attributes from the title and the content of the web page. So once we are up with that, finally the features from the web pages are extracted and the features are like keywords, titles, starting with the number, all the cap words, contains questions and exclamatory marks are being used for our methodology. So once these in these three method, the one of the important tasks what we have to do is going for the attribute selection. So after reading the website attributes file into the Vika, the attribute based on several algorithms are ranked to choose most relevant to increase the accuracy and decrease the training time. For that, we have used two approaches. One is the information gain, another one is the entropy, which have been calculated using the functions what is being displayed on the poster there. So once we get the attributes, the next thing is we'll see a table which will be showing the attribute selection along with the evaluation values what we have done. See, for our paper, from the news what we have got, we have extracted the attributes. Six important attributes have been identified. The first one is starting with the number, then the content having the title words, content having the question and exclamatory marks, all the word capitals, user left the web pages immediately, and the keywords. So from the next column, you can find out the correlation value and the information gain values what we have obtained. So these are very much important for us for our further classification. So next, from the table 2, you can find out we have used different machine learning classification algorithms like BaseNet, Logistic, Random Tree, Naive Bayes, and to identify what is the analysis or what is the work we have done, it is correct or not. We have used different statistical evaluation measures like precision, recall, F measure, and ROC, and you can find out that in the ROC, all the classification techniques what we have worked at, they're having a ROC value more than 97 to 95%. And the precision, you can find out that for among the classification techniques what we have used, the logistics it is having 99.4%. So finally, we can conclude that in the work what we have focused to do the identification of the fake news using the Vika tool and the Python script, we have used various machine learning techniques, and the experimental revealed that this approach has an efficacy of 99.4%, which is far better than the different techniques which has been in the market. Thus, we conclude that the approach what we have followed can be effectively used to detect a fake news in the social media. And even this can even be future enhanced, not only in the text, even we can identify the same thing using the mime text in your social media there. Thank you everyone for your patience listening.